In the world of crafting and DIY, the potential of leftover wood scraps is often underestimated. These remnants, typically discarded, hold immense value for those willing to explore their creativity. The journey of transforming these pieces begins with recognizing their inherent beauty and the stories they carry. Each scrap, regardless of size or shape, offers a unique opportunity to create something new, blending functionality with artistry. This mindset fosters a sustainable approach to crafting, encouraging creators to think outside the box and embrace imperfections. The first step in any project is inspiration. One could start by envisioning the possibilities that lie within the wood. This might involve browsing through design platforms or nature-inspired aesthetics that can spark ideas. Imagining how these scraps can fit into a broader design narrative can guide the creative process. It's essential to consider the colors, textures, and natural patterns that each piece presents. This exploration not only ignites creativity, but also builds a connection with the materials, setting the stage for meaningful work. Next comes the planning phase, where one outlines potential projects. This stage is crucial for maximizing the use of wood scraps. A well-thought-out plan allows for careful consideration of dimensions and how different pieces can interlock or complement one another. Sketching designs can be a helpful exercise, allowing ideas to take shape on paper before execution. This planning phase also encourages problem-solving, as one navigates how to utilize various scraps in a cohesive manner. Each step is an opportunity to refine the project, ensuring that the final product meets both aesthetic and functional goals. This hands-on experience is not only rewarding, but also therapeutic, providing a sense of accomplishment as each piece comes together. Throughout the crafting journey, embracing trial and error is essential. Mistakes are inevitable and can lead to unexpected discoveries. Instead of viewing errors as failures, they should be seen as opportunities for innovation. Perhaps a piece doesn't fit as originally planned, or a design doesn't translate perfectly. These moments can inspire new directions, leading to unique outcomes that might not have been envisioned initially. Flexibility in the creative process can yield surprising and delightful results. As projects near completion, it's a good time to reflect on the transformation that has taken place. Observing how scraps have been repurposed into something functional can be incredibly satisfying. This reflection can also inspire others, as sharing the journey of transformation often resonates with fellow crafters and DIY enthusiasts. Documenting the process through photos or written narratives can help spread the joy of creativity and sustainability. Moreover, the finished projects can serve as conversation starters, showcasing the value of reimagining materials. Displaying these creations in homes or gifting them to friends can spark discussions about sustainability and the importance of reducing waste. This not only highlights the craftsmanship involved, but also emphasizes a growing movement towards eco-conscious living. The narrative of each piece can inspire others to look at their own wood scraps with fresh eyes.